lovelies, welcome to Namaste with Jay. I was going to record a yoga video today, but it started raining. It's drizzling right now, so apparently God, the universe, the higher power, whoever you call the higher being, if you believe in one, does not have that in the plans for me today. So I'm just going to speak from the heart. So sometimes in life you just have to learn to let go, even if things don't go as planned. Just go with the flow. You're not meant to have control. Just trust that God or the higher power, the universe, whoever you believe in, always has your back and always knows which road that you're supposed to go down. So if you want to go left and you keep meeting resistance, maybe you should pause and sit in silence and ask God for an answer, for a direction. Like, I keep trying to go left, but I keep hitting this roadblock. Do I need to persevere and keep going? Or are you trying to tell me that maybe I should go right? So, I don't know. Those are just some of the thoughts that popped into my mind as the beautiful water falls from the beautiful sky. And I look around and feel the raindrops touching my lovely skin. Well, my hands. I have on a hoodie and leggings today, but I promise you I can feel it on my face and my hands, and my hair is getting a little wet, Yeah, that's my message for you today, because apparently I'm not meant to do a yoga video today, and that's what I felt was placed on my heart to say. So I hope all of you guys have a wonderful, beautiful, fantastically amazing day. And yeah, hopefully it resonated with some people, helped you out. I'm not sure. It was just placed on my heart to say. So lovelies, be you, be yourselves, which is the same as be you. Yeah, just shine your bright light and always trust that the higher power knows what's best. So don't be afraid to let go if things don't go as planned, like they happened today. So yeah, be great, lovelies.